The role of cell phone accessories in mobile phone repair. With the right combination of hardware and software, troubleshooting mobile phones can be an efficient, effective, and rewarding process. Whether you need a new screen, battery, or motherboard, ATCELL has everything you need to keep your customers' phones in working order. With customized and OEM accessories, it is possible to enhance the functionality of a mobile phone as well as diagnose any issues it might be having. By using these tools and components when needed, you'll be able to ensure your smartphone remains in good condition for many years to come.